Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to work on a Power 10 code. It's 2004 Prius vehicle. The code is P0AA6 hybrid voltage system isolation fault. In this code we should work on the terminals of the battery. We should see and check whether the battery is leaking, whether a terminal is loose, whether a terminal or a connector is dirty. So we are going to diagnose the code, and step by step in some parts of the video I will show you how to diagnose this code. It is little bit disturbing code, but it's not difficult to be diagnosed, to be repaired, to be cleared. So I will show you first the code, then I will show you some steps of the repairing process. P0AA6 hybrid battery voltage system isolation fault. This is the code. We cleared the code. Now let's see the condition of the car. What's the condition of the hybrid batteries? This is the condition. The water has come to the trunk side of the car around the hybrid battery, so a lot of dust. It's very dirty. The batteries are quite dirty. So we are opening the batteries. So we are opening the batteries. The batteries are opened. They are very dusty. They are very dirty. So we will clean all the connectors. Even on some bolts the zinc has come. So first we are going to clean it with the air. We are removing the dust from the battery. Then we will see which parts, which connectors are dusty, they are dirty, zinc carbon has come on it. Now we clean the battery with air. It's very dusty. A lot of dust is coming from the battery. It was very dirty. Its condition was very bad. We cleaned all the connectors, especially the batteries connectors should be cleaned with acid. They should be dipped to the acid and all the carbon will go from it. So the situation of the battery was very bad. We checked and cleaned all the connectors, the terminals of the batteries. We cleared them. We cleaned them. And finally, alhamdulillah, we cleared the fault code. The fault code did not come. It was coming twice and 3 times a day.